I'll see if the turn signals work.
Yeah, we need
Does
to.
the back one work?
Let me see if the 10 signals. Yes, it works. The 10
This way?
Yep, the 10 signals work.
Okay. And my high beam should go up high. Up here, can you see? Yeah.
Yep,
High
that's
beam.
high beam. Oh, high beam.
All right, that works. My horn. Horn does not work over.
Why do we need horn? Wait, what is her horn? Whoa, that's extremely loud. Guys, I'm gonna leave for a second because that is extremely loud. And by the way, he just fixed up his motorcycle, and we're testing if it's working good or not. And it's going good so far. Everything's working but
So
the
only thing
horn.
now, we have to take it all apart now. And then spray paint the handlebars white.
Oh
And then put it all
yeah.
back together again. Or do we just leave it black for now?
For now, because I do want to have a motorcycle ride to go to
Alright.
Harbor Freight.
Well, I guess the next thing we'd have to do is then cut these handlebars off so they fit.
Guys, I'm gonna sit down on this. So let me have a nice view of him working. I may have to help him at one point. We had to use a heat gun, that yellow thing right there. I hope I pointed it correctly. I don't. On the back of this is just a thing, so I don't see the footage. You may want to turn off your sound. Camera, I put you on my eye. So it's like. Again, you may want to turn off your sound because that was extremely loud. 3 minutes already? Damn. Hey Dad, how long does the footage last on the GoPro?
How long does the footage last?
Until it's like, I can't keep all that memory.
I don't know, that's a good question. We'd have to decide on.
I think we're gonna have to test that. And then
Well, I
maybe
gotta cut
do
this
a
side off now.
video. Make sure you turn off your sound. This can be loud. Why would you touch it? Why would you touch it? You can turn on your volume again.
Alright, so I guess the only thing left to do now is to start hooking up these things.
Okay.
now that we know everything works, now we gotta hook up these things here, like this. Goes like this, I think.
I'm gonna prop you, so then you just could look at him. This was the camera that I was gonna use, but when you record it, the footage is upside down. And the thingy that props it is on the top of it, so it's like stuff. So I'm gonna attach this to you. And I gotta prop you. So then you could be looking at that. So okay? I'm trying to prop the camera. So, tiny camera time. Stick off. Come on. Sorry, Dad.
We're gonna have to try to make a new base to hold the GoPro to. You know, maybe if you built something to hold
Maybe I
like
can make
a tripod or something to hold it up.
I need a clay thing, so then I could pop it on the bottom and. For right now.
All right, so I want these red grips on here, bud. But my problem is it's a little too.
Maybe I could attach you to the.
Hey. Fat. Like I want to put these on here.
Heat gun.
Or
Heat gun. We could use
or
the
do
heat
I
gun.
switch? Let me take these ones. And we put this one.
I think we definitely need to use this and use this, and then use the hot gun, and so then it melts down. Could I do that part, and you could be the cameraman?
Well, these don't melt down. That's not that kind of material.
Oh.
We need to put something either in here or around here to fatten it up so that this fits.
Okay. Let me use this electrical tape. Lining up the camera. It should be pointing at this, but it's a little off. So,
I want to put this on.
yep,
Put this one on first.
prop it correctly.
Okay, your turn.
Oh.
Put electrical tape on there.
Okay.
Whichever color you want.
Well, I have to use black because I'm using it to help prop the camera.
Well, you can use blue.
Ooh,
You
yeah,
want?
blue. So, what do we do?
We'll start working on this part then. While
What-
you,
What do we do?
you're gonna take it.
And wrap around a couple times so it thickens up. So then,
We need this to stick on there. So however you think you can
about
do,
2 layers of tape.
you need to do to make that happen is up to you. But
Check up with the camera. See if it's doing alright. Well, viewers, if Isabel Eugene Rosie's watching, gonna be one of the best. Sorry, camera. Well, viewers, the people. My dad is a very smart man. Facts. Little facts.
Oh, I think I've lost a bolt somewhere.
Now, time for E.
Where's
If Isabella Dre is watching,
Oh, here it is. I found it.
well, not off, like, yay, you're watching. Finally. So, scissors or, oh yes, that. Okay, now I see it. Oh, got it thickened up. I think one more layer. Like look, it smoothly goes on there.
Yeah. I
Now,
think we might need a little bit more.
one
It's
more
supposed to
layer.
be really tight so that it doesn't slide when I'm riding. Because if it slides off when I'm riding, that's going to really be really bad. So we don't want that. So we need that sucker to be like
On.
really, yeah, we need it to be on there, like for good times. Like really good.
Whoa.
Turn this just a little bit, sorry.
No, I just lost track of what was going on. Maybe next time you could. Okay, then you could. Oh, I'm sorry, I haven't talked to you in a little bit. But, yes.
Alright.
I need scissors, Dad.
Then,
Oh, where is the scissors?
oh,
Well, I put it down right there, next to you. Couldn't have been the last person to touch it. Didn't touch with the camera, and now.
what?
I'm looking for scissors. I don't know what this video turned into. 14 minutes long so far. Oh God!
Oh, what's wrong?
A creepy spider. Right there. Like those the spiders in those videos that they say, if you don't subscribe and like this video right now, the spider will be in your brain and all you. It's like that spider that they use.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Spider-Man? Maybe I could make it upside down when it's like on the perfect thing. So then it will, the tape, the owl for it.
You okay?
Yeah. Oh, Dad. See?
I think it's perfect.
Am I gonna do that on the other side?
Right now I'm gonna finish this because I have to. No, I don't have to do it on this side because this side already came with its own little.
Oh, so I'll grab the camera. So that was a little adventure. Wait, it's not done yet. I'm gonna go outside. Maybe into my house. Well, I'm not gonna joke around and say it's the warehouse. I could probably play a game on here, like Fortnite. So guys, would you rather watch me play Fortnite, or Fortnite, or Minecraft? I think I'm gonna go with Fortnite. Most of the majority of the I won't play again. Let's do something else. Oh, I should show you my instrument that I got from school. I'm just gonna put you down. Please don't. You're gonna be there for a little bit, so just be present. It's this, but I'm gonna